These cut-resistant gloves are ANSI A6 certified. They can withstand medium to heavy cut hazards. There's the A6 indicator. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. This protective coating has a sandy grip surface that helps you hold on to things that are wet or slippery. The cut-resistant and anti-slip material is about 30% more than other brands because the entire fingers are covered, and it even comes down most of the back of the hand here. Other brands where the tops of the fingers will just be fabric, this is completely covered. That's more protection, and I like to be protected. It's also touch screen capable. The material is free of fiberglass. That eliminates itching, and it helps with those that have allergies. Also, the fabric does let the back of your hand breathe. I think that's really important because I don't like having sweaty hands. Here are a few more ways I wear these gloves: cutting down boxes, outside gardening, and even simple tasks like taking out the trash. The trash digs into my skin. Why not wear gloves? Overall, in my opinion, these gloves are a great choice.